catch it? You know how to catch it?
No, I wouldn't. Did you take it? Oh, you taking a video?
Yeah, I took the pictures. I'm a video.
Okay. Does that just sync with your iTunes in? It goes right in there?
Yeah, I can
See,
just.
he does have a sharp thing on the side of his head. You can feel it. Oh my gosh, he swallowed the hook way down in.
Gotta rip it out.
It's gonna be ugly. Oh boy. Look at that. Video that man. He regrets ever biting that bait. Worst decision he ever made.
Let me see.
You fool, you should have listened to your mama. I'm sure she told you not to bite the fisherman's hook.
It's way big ones than those, dude.
I'm gonna get that out. Huh?
Catch maybe?
I'll tell you I'm gonna get it out. Whoa!
Oh!
Sorry about that. I'm gonna cut the line and toss him back in with it in his mouth. He's gonna have to live with that decision. Have a hook in his mouth the rest of his life.
He is?
Yep. I can't get it out.
What's that inside of his body?
That's his little hook, his little fins, and his little pokers.
Let me pick him up. Go ahead.
I wouldn't pick up his body.
Why not?
Because I think he's got sharp things that can cut you. I think that's what caught Marcus yesterday. He's like, yeah, man. Yeah, you can hold that if you want. Don't let him get them pokers up on you. See them? They're like little tongs right there, those sharp things. See that? Here, hold it there for a second, Michael. Let me just touch on them, see what they feel like. See if they're sharp enough to cut a man's finger. You know what they are? They're real sharp. Yep, I bet you that's probably what got Marcus. Look at that. Look at that. You see those things? Them pokers are sharp. That's his protection God gave him. Huh? Don't nobody want to eat a. That's why no other big fish gonna eat him. They bite on that, they get their own hook in their jaw. So unfortunately, we just going to throw him back in the water just like that. You want the honors, Michael?
Like
or you want the honors? You caught him. Now toss him back. Give him a good ride. Sling him out there as far as you can go. Toss him so I can go catch him. I don't think he's going to swallow another hook the rest of his life. If he lives through that.
Going real far. Put him right here in the front. Let's see what's done with it. Put him right here in the front. Let's see what's done with it.
Be a bullhead about this long with a big hook still in his jaw.
How big is it?
Well, I caught one this big one time. I mean, I'm not playing.